Here's a little video of the chickens. They're 3 weeks old now. They are eating a lot and messing up their water a lot. I had to actually prop it up. Another week or two they can go into the coop, which means I won't have to feed them as often because I have a larger hopper than the one I have here. In fact, probably wouldn't even fit in here. And the water will be up higher, so I still have to give them fresh water, but it won't be like 15 minutes after I give it to them. It's already murky. But you can see how fast they grow. They're starting to listen to my voice. They know that my voice means food's coming. And at 6 weeks, they will be developing their pecking order. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's not like I'm going to scare them, but I'm just happy to get some video. They're starting to really feather out nice. I don't know if it's going to show up in here, but this black one here in the front, it's got a beautiful tail. There's another one similar tail. Don't usually see that in the female, so I'm hoping there was no mistake, but I'm pretty sure there's not. The white one also has a beautiful tail. They usually have fluffy butts, they call them, so that's probably when it's going to turn into more of a fluffy butt than male's tail that you see in roosters. But here they are, 3 weeks old. Happy birthday.